We looked at a lot of companies and a lot of different options, and there's a whole mass of stuff out there. We looked at the conventional concrete screeding thing, which was fine, providing you don't want to tread on your floor for about 4 months. That was not on for us. We like the idea of the resin-based one, as I call it. It probably isn't resin. And we came across Central Flow Screed, and we liked the way they operate. We liked the system they had. They introduced us to Thermoplane, which looked good. And at the end of the day, we like their price. Price always has to be a factor in any choice that you make. Maybe not always the most important, but it is also a factor. It dried quickly, so we can actually get back on to the floor within a couple of days. That was very important. I like the mixture, the texture, that it is a nice. It's almost a finished floor. And it seemed to go, when we were watching it going down a few moments ago, it was going down very thin, which was, on first thoughts, was a bit worrying. You think, my gosh, this is a bit thin, but it comes up good. We were impressed. We went down to Bromsgrove a few weeks ago and watched them do another floor down there, and we were very impressed with the way it went in and the finish that it gave. It gave a lovely finish. We're looking for strength in the finish, and I know there will be strength. We're also looking for a good conductivity level through the pipework, the thermoplane pipework, and we understand, and we read about it, that we will get a good heat output at a good reduced temperature, and that's important. You know, we don't want to be heating up at 70 degrees. If we can get heat out of here at 25 degrees, 30 degrees, that'd be ideal for us. Yeah. So that was the choice, and that's really why we chose it.
And presumably as well, bearing in mind your desire to be sustainable, the fact that it is that much more sustainable using a gypsum product than concrete.
Well, it is. It's a recycled product, isn't it? Concrete isn't. And we like the idea of, again, as I said earlier, where we can, of using something which is sustainable. And if it works for us and it works in the house, then it's good, and it's good for everybody. And it does work in the house, and it makes us feel better that it is sustainable. Yes, I want a bit of an eco kick here.